To register your complaint, first open Voter Helpline Android app, link given in the description. Click on Complaint, enter your 10-digit mobile number and click on the Send OTP button. Enter the OTP number and click on Login Now button. Now select your state, district, assembly constituency, election period, next complaint type, like booth capturing, incident description and images from camera or gallery. Now just click on Submit. Your complaint will be submitted to Election Commission of India. Apply your super finger to like, share this video and don't forget to subscribe this channel.